Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have another massage gun. If you know me, you know every time this HEYCHY brand comes out with something new, I'm always like, hey, send me it, I want it. And so sometimes I'm lucky and they do. So this is the massage gun here. This is the D5 Pro. So let's check this out. Let's aim you guys down so you can see as I unbox it how this looks. So here we go, very nice box. What is this card here? Just a very nice card that with the brand. And, oh, comes another little zipper box. So let me put this over here. Hope my stove is not on. Nope. Okay. And here we go. So this is a nice case. And we can unzip it here. And we got some bubble wrap. We have some instructions here. That's nice. We have a USB charging cable. It looks like it's going to charge from USB-C to USB-C is what it charges from. We have the massage gun here. So let's check this out. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. You can see it's got their nice logo on it here. We've got a, is it this? Oh, we can aim different angles depending on what we're doing with it. If we want to get in that way or go down, that's cool. Let's see what our other pieces and parts are here. It comes with its own charging nugget, which is nice. A lot of things don't come with that, so we have that. That'll connect to the wire that'll charge it. We have this single massaging intelligent heated massage head. Okay, so this one here will be heated, and it has a little USB charging port on the side of it. It says, please tear off the surface protector before each use. Not before each use, just before using it in general. So I will do that now. Okay, so there you go. Very shiny. Okay, and so we'll have a nice shiny look on there. And it says rated power 5 watts. And then it's just got all that on there. So that's going to be for the heated end. Okay. And then in here, I'm going to guess we have our other ends. So let's check out what our other ends are. So we'll stick something in here. So this is something I usually like, are these ones here, the big ball. So it just kind of goes in and snaps in and holds itself in place. And then here we have our power on there. So hold it down and turn it on. And you can see it says M1 1300. And if I push it again, it says 1600. I'm guessing that's how many RPMs we're getting in out of it. And then 1900, 2200, 2500, and that's the top. And so you can see that's going really fast. And it's cool when it turns on, look, it lights up on the side there. I don't know if you can see that, but the HEYCHY lights up. So then I would be able to do this, and I mean, you guys can't see. So here I can massage my back, and the way ooh, that feels so good. Okay, and the way it is, I think I hold it down to turn it off, yes. And then I can aim it different ways. So that would be the perfect way to aim it for my back. This one here, I wouldn't be able to do my back with. But this, I could do my my legs with or something like that. So it's kind of cool the way it has that rotating head. That's kind of important to me. So let's put this back on again. So it starts back up at 1300. And then I guess this is like a pause or something. M1, M2. Oh, I guess you can have different memories. So you could set your certain temperature, the certain speeds that you like, so you don't have to do it each time. But ooh, that feels nice. Okay, so whenever I do the massaging, this is the head I usually like. But we're gonna, for the sake of this demonstration here, let's try on some of these other ones here. So this one here is more of a flat, bouncy one. So if you like that particular style, you can do that. So that one there is kind of a bouncier one, which, I mean, I'm kind of okay with it. I mean, I just like this one for some reason. It gets into the muscles better. Okay. We have this one here, which I think is supposed to go on either side of your spine, but to me, it kind of pokes a lot. But if you like that style, you can. Oh, I don't know what I pushed. There we go. So you got that one there. That's just, to me, that when the ones that are solid just hurt on me, but get the idea. This one here is more of a pokey one too. That one's if you're really trying to dig into a muscle. This one here is a bit flat, a flat, hard kind of one. It's actually not quite as hard as those other ones, but it's got that style. Well, you get all sorts of ones. This one here is new. I guess this would get like in between your shoulder blades. That could really do a number on you. And then here, this one's kind of soft too. So this one here, I like probably, I would say these two are my favorites because this one here is kind of soft. It's got a little bit of squish to it as well. So it doesn't quite dig. So those are your different ones here. And then we have the heated one. So this one here, we'll do our heatedness to it. So if you really want to be hot while it's going, you can do that one there. I don't know if I would like the hot one, but I'll find out because I'll be using it. So that's pretty cool though. It's nice the way it has all the different features and stuff. And it's super easy. And I love the case that it comes with here in this case. So then I can just stick all the heads. Well, that head will stick out here because it's the fancy head there. And then we put all the other pieces and parts where they go. We can zip it up. And I don't have it there. I think that's the angle it has it. And then we zip it up and we're ready to go. How cool is that? This is awesome. I love it. Thumbs up.